You too, bro.
Finish up and let's get some voting going. Mahalo nui loa, guys. Have a great evening.
You guys heard that Kamina reads. So you want to try something different? You want to try something new? Good? Okay, come on. Come and get your food, come and get your food, come and get your food now. Come and get your food, come and get your food, come and get your food.
I had a sample of the thing. The meat just fall off the bone. You ever had meat where fall off the bone? Falls off the bone? Yeah. Is this the big winner? We'll find out at 8 o'clock. Where you want to go?
Ooh, how about we do the dessert?
Yeah, all right, come on.
Yeah.
Come and get your love. Come and get your love.
You know you centered. You know you centered. You have crepes, and the crepes make you do that.
Come and get your love.
Make you do that. Because the thing goes straight to your belly. Alright, so we got crepes over here. Look at that. Honey chai ice cream, fried honey banana. When's the last time you had fried honey banana? It's been a long time for my wife. She didn't have the nice honey banana for a while. She should have come to Kauai. Come on. Shipwreck. Shipwreck. Oh, there you go. I don't know where Lexi went. I don't know where she went, but look at this. You got nachos. All kind of different varieties of nachos. You got the ROTC guys. They had so much nachos. Look how excited they are. That's what happens when you eat nachos. You get excited and you hang up on a compost. All right, come on. You need honey? Yeah, honey. And kombucha. You know, after eating all that food, you need a little bit kombucha in your stomach to like, you know, lose all that fat. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Honey. We have the constituency over here. So far, what you guys think about the food?
The ribs are excellent.
See, ribs. What else?
Ribs.
I'm still waiting for the Filipino food truck. Where's the Filipino food truck? Silit, dinaguan, pansit. Oh my God. I'm gonna call you guys. Video guys. Yeah. All right, look at this. See that? Look. Huh? You guys remember?
This is the guy.
This is the guy that was the president of the Philippines. Yeah. Estrada. Look, Estrada. I look like Estrada.
Addison there.
Addison's dad. Wait, Addison was there. His dad looked like the president of the Philippines. Estrada.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Okay, so this one you got like pasta. Look at this. Baga Tumakai. Oh, the great. Oh. I know, you're thinking, why you never come out and hang out with us on a Sunday?
Yeah,
See, too bad. See that? Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
All right, ladies, what you guys excited to eat? What you guys excited to eat? Lobster.
The best.
Where you running to?
The pork bow that was awesome, and the nachos so far. And we're waiting for the grapes.
What you ready for? Tell everybody what you ready for.
Lobster?
The lobster.
Yeah.
Why lobster?
I love lobster. Who doesn't like a lobster?
Oh yeah, everybody loves a lobster.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Mexican food. Mexican food. After you're done eating them, it's like a jumping bean. If you want to be a Mexican jumping bean, look at this stuff. Look at focus. Look at the focus. See that focus? That's focus. That's total focus on the food, ready to prepare for everybody. Total focus. Look at that. Total focus. All right.
Thank you so much.
I think this is the one too. It's one of
This is the one. This is the one. Yeah.
My brother, come on, my brother.
Oh, it's taco.
Disgusting folks.
Right. So this one I get
Thank you so much.
get chow su bao. Come on.
To the next event. You guys enjoy yourself. And then you guys are coming out.
Give you guys an inside scoop. Come here. Look at this guy.
Oh, baby.
Yo, that's hard work, man. Look at him. That's how you know thing good. He's smiling while he's cooking. Yeah, you know, because this morning the pork is so soft. You guys are using mahu pig, yeah? This is mahu pig, you know, I think, because the pork is so soft. Just put it in my mouth, so soft. So soft, so oh no. All right, food truck challenge, you guys. Helping out the food bank, also Hawaii Veterans Museum. Hope give you guys a nice inside view of what's happening over here. And if you want to be a part of it next year, I heard it's gonna be amazing. We'll get all kind of food truck. We'll get Portuguese food truck. We'll get Filipino food truck. We'll get Chinese food truck. We'll get Hawaiian food truck. We'll get what else? Oh, we'll get Howley food truck. Popolo food. We'll get all kind of food trucks. Boom! And they are the top food truck here in Kauai. Put your hands together for him and Dan Sum, everybody. Come on! There you go.
Give them a hand, everybody. There you go. You get bragging rights for 1 year.